When filing your brand registry with Amazon, a lot of bugs or problems come of it. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a bug where you file your brand registry, and then Amazon kicks it back and says, hey, your brand is not permanently affixed to the product, and they reject your brand registry filing. So this is actually a pretty easy one to fix. Basically, what happens is they see your sticker or whatever on your item package and they don't really think it's permanently affixed. I've dealt with this issue probably 4 or 5 times just in the last couple of weeks. Every time I've interacted with my clients, they usually first purchase a trademark from me, then they go over to brand registry and file said trademark, and then on occasion a couple of them will get a kickback like the one we're just talking about. In conversing with my clients, I basically told them, take some different cell phone pictures of your item, maybe a little farther away, maybe make that sticker a little bit more permanent looking so that Amazon doesn't see like, I don't know, I've got cinnamon on my desk here. This is kind of a silly example. I'll go full screen on this so you can check this out. But do you see how this sticker right here is easy to peel off? And so like somebody could just rip it off like this, right? So it's not permanently affixed. And so the solution would be to get an item that has something that looks a little bit more permanent, right? So if it was actually printed into the packaging, that's a slam dunk. Amazon's going to accept that one, no problem. But if you're going to use a sticker, then make sure it looks like it's permanently affixed. You notice I've said that phrase like 4 or 5 times so far. The point I'm trying to make is that that's literally the only thing Amazon cares about. All you got to do is take a picture to make the brand name look like it's permanently affixed. That's it. So you could print something straight into the cardboard. You could get a different cell phone picture, different angle that makes the sticker look like it's permanently affixed. Simply go back to brandregistry.amazon and refile your trademark brand registry, and it should go through. If you have any challenges with that, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And if you haven't ordered a trademark yet, feel free to go to myamazonguy.com right now, and you can get a brand registry ticket done all within 7 days. Purchase the trademark from us within 1 business day. We send you the serial number. Got to wait 5 days. Then go to brandregistry.amazon.com. Your test number will be available, which then you can file for brand registry. And then 48 hours after that, you should have your brand registry completed. We've done this for more than 300 clients. It's one of our most popular a la carte services. We do an online form search. We file it with the USPTO. We make sure your trademark is going to go through. If the trademark doesn't go through, we'll waive a significant portion of a fee off the second trademark filing just to help you out. Got a ton of FAQ sections on our trademark service here. You know, what is a trademark? Why should you get a logo mark versus creative mark? You know, all of these scenarios that I've been asked over the last few years, we've documented all of them. We have tons and tons of testimonials. We've done more than 20 videos on all things trademarks, and I've got this really cool guide on the brand registry. So tons of things you can check out. Feel free to hook yourself up, get a trademark and brand registry with My Amazon Guy, or ask me any questions in the comment section. I read every single one of them.